Hey guys, so in today's video, we're going to go over something called a CTE. This is a quick introduction video. I could actually create dozens of videos. There's so many uses for CTEs. Let's just introduce it and we can maybe delve into specific questions you have after you've seen what they can do. So CTE stands for Common Table Expression. And what it does is it allows you to create a temporary result set that can be used in the current execution scope or your query. They're similar to views. So a view is just a stored object in the database that's a query. The neat thing about CTEs is you can create them on the fly. So you don't have to actually create the view. It doesn't have to exist. You could just create it in your SQL as you're writing your SQL. The really nice thing is they allow you to encapsulate and isolate logic into pluggable modules. So that allows you to simplify things or break down the SQL statement. And it's better than having just some monolithic query. You can break things down and then join them. They can be, joined to static database objects, so other tables and views, and you can even join CTEs to each other in your SQL statement. And I'm going to show you that. So the syntax is just you say with, and you give your CTE a name. Then you have a keyword as. You open paren, type your SQL query, and then end paren. And then you can select star from your CTE. I'm going to bring up SQL Developer. So I've got several CTEs here. So this is a statement we're going to go over. So I've got the cust CTE that just does a count from the customers table and gives the count a name of customer count. I've got another CTE that's going to the orders table and counting all the orders. Now I've got a CTE that's going to the orders table again, but in this case, it's filtering for all the orders that came before January 1st, 2005. And I've got one last CTE that's giving a count from the offices table. So let's say you're building a dashboard or something like that. It's nice to have everything laid out in one result set, and that's what this is doing. So if you notice, if we've got several CTEs here, and when we end the first CTE, we've got a comma that just separates the various CTEs. Now on the query that's joining them all together, these are each of the CTEs defined above. And since there are one record result sets, I'm just joining them all together with a 1 = 1. But if you had a join key, you could put that in your join clause. I'm just going to run it here. And here you go. We got customer count 122, 326 orders, 7 offices, and we've got 262 orders that occurred before 2005. So again, I've got a site. If you want to find out more, if you've got specific questions about CTEs or if you have a question in general, I'll have this URL in the description of the video. You go to this URL, it's going to look like this. You can just click on the create button. It'll bring up a form. You can give me your email so that I can contact you when I've got a video response, your question text, and I'll post the answer URL, and the submission date's going to get entered automatically. That's it. So hopefully you guys like the video. I've got some other videos out there you can take a look at, and hopefully if you have questions, just pop in the URL and we'll go from there. Thanks, guys. Bye.